Alright, class, let's dive into the process of turning on and logging into a computer.
We press the power button.
Excellent observation. Pressing the power button initiates the startup process. What appears on the screen next?
The computer logo and loading symbols.
Exactly. The computer booting up. Once it's ready, we can log in and start using it.
Step 1. Find the power button. Look for a symbol resembling a circle with a line in the middle. Step 2. Press the power button. Wait for the screen to light up. Step 3. Wait for the login screen. This is where you'll enter your username and password.
Now, why do we need to log in?
So the computer knows who's using it.
Precisely. Let's see how to log in and start exploring.
Step 1. Enter your username. Carefully type in your username provided by your teacher or parent. Step 2. Enter your password. Type in the password without mistakes. Step 3. Start exploring. Once logged in, you'll see your desktop where you can open programs and files.
Great job, everyone. Now let's talk about shutting down the computer properly.
Step 1. Close all programs. Save your work and close all open programs. Step 2. Click on the Start button. Find the Power button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Shutdown. Confirm the shutdown process.
Remember, it's essential to shut down the computer properly to save energy and keep it in a good condition.
Shouldn't we just turn off the power?
No, it's best to follow the proper shutdown process to avoid issues.
Close programs, click on the Start button, select Shutdown, and confirm.